Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you step-by-step instruction on how to seamlessly embed YouTube videos into your blog or blog post, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. You can embed YouTube videos in your blog in three methods. They are method 1 is adding YouTube videos using embed code. Second method is adding YouTube videos using share button. And third method is adding YouTube videos using a insert video option in Blogger. First of all, let us check how can you add YouTube videos using embed code. For that, go to your YouTube channel and select video which you want to add. And here, go to select share, and here click on embed and copy the code and go to your blog in which you want to post that. And here select HTML view, and you can see here this para is ended here. So if you want to insert here in this para after this second para, then click enter and paste that code and click on preview. As you can see, your video is embedded. And next second method is adding your YouTube videos using share button. Okay, go to once again go to your channel, YouTube channel, and here select go for select share button, and here click on blogger and click on this is select your blog, and here will appear the blog title as is my blog digital marketing trends, and click on share. So as you can see, your our video is embedded. Let us see in preview. As you can see, yes, our video is embedded. And next go for third method. Third method is adding YouTube videos using insert video option in Blogger. Go to your Blogger and go to your blog post, and here select compose view, and here if you think you want to add any video, your desired video, and here click on this insert video from you can insert from you can upload it from computer or from YouTube. Select YouTube. You can here search, you can search the YouTube video, or else if you select upload here, you can select the video which you want to embed and select the video and then click on select. As you can see, our video is embedded. And congratulations, now you have successfully learned how to embed YouTube videos in your blog post. It's a fantastic way to enhance your content and engage your audience. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy blogging. Take care. Bye.